Welcome to the AGB Daily. I'm your host, Agent Gary Brown. Today, Wells Fargo Bank has announced that the new finance reform bill is going to cost them $530 million. Wow, that's a lot of money. So I pose the question, who is going to pay for this? I will give you a couple of guesses. Yes, you, the consumer, are going to pay for this. I wonder how much longer we as a country are going to let the government keep screwing us before we actually do something about it. And I do not mean just vote differently, I mean make real change. Kick some butt. I imagine that it won't be in my lifetime, which is sad. Maxine Waters, the number 2 person in charge of the House Financial Services Committee, allegedly steered bailout money to the bank, where her husband is a shareholder. Nice, again we are just going to sit back and let it go down. You see, back in 2004 it was reported that her family made over $1 million from companies that she helped through her political connections. Well, she won that election with over an 80% margin. So you see, we do not vote out the crooks, we vote them in with an overwhelming majority. I want to give a special shout out to the Plummer family today. You see, last week they lost the patriarch of the family, Roy Plummer. Today, though, they are expecting the newest addition to the family, as Roy's son Frank and his wife Sarah are expecting a newborn this morning. Good job being population-sensitive, Plummer family. One out, one in. Much love. Well, that's all for today. Make sure to visit www.agentgarybrown.com for all of your real estate needs. AGB out.